Welcome to the most configurable and flexible document, records, and case management software available, Decos D5. Have you ever heard the term workflow? A workflow is a sequence of related steps initiated by a trigger. The trigger starts the workflow, and each step in the workflow represents real work, such as movement of documents around an organization, authorization of an expense or an incoming invoice by a manager, document evaluation, co-writing, request for paid time off, or notification that a contract is about to expire. An example of a workflow is the process of requesting information from a company. Using Decos D5, when someone requests information from a company, a salesperson is automatically assigned the request and receives a task to call back the potential client. The salesperson receives the task and his or her pending items. When the salesperson finishes their task, they mark their task complete in their pending items, completing the process. Workflows are great for expiring contracts. A workflow can be set up to automatically renew a contract or task an employee with canceling a contract before it's automatically renewed. There is no need to employ expensive consultants to create workflows using Decos D5. The workflow editor is simple to use and training is uncomplicated. Management can generate reports that follow workflows through their life cycle, allowing management to regulate employees' actions and look for improvements in the process. There are several easy ways to create a report in Decos. One way to create a report is to use the filter in the list pane. Use the filter to sort the information you want, and then select the Create Report button to generate the report. Export the report to Excel or work with it in Decos by merging it with a weekly sales template, or modify the information and send it to a manager. Decos D5 templates make responding to requests for information simple. Templates help to improve the reply process, deliver information promptly, and help standardize the process. When a company receives a request, with one click, a Decos template extracts relevant information from Decos D5 and inserts it into a standard reply letter in Microsoft Word. Email functionality comes standard with Decos D5. Email files and documents directly from Decos D5 to clients and customers outside the company, or send a link to company employees. There are several administrative user levels in Decos D5. Administrators can create new users, components, reports, and modify system settings from the administration portal. With Decos D5, automatically archive files to comply with audit policies, meet compliance regulations, or to clean up old or unused files. Don't waste time and money on expensive warehouses where finding files when needed may be difficult. With a small amount of disk space, ensure your files are safe, backed up, and meet all compliancy regulations for audit and later review with Decos D5.